Hello guys, it's Temi here. Welcome to the channel. In this class we will look at how to create ramps and windows in Revit as we continue with our exercise file. Enjoy. To create a ramp on Revit, go to the floor plan you want to start the ramp from. In this case I'll be using the natural ground level. Go to the Architecture tab and select Ramp. The Run tool is immediately activated. Go to the Measure tab and select the measuring tool. Measure the supposed width of your ramp. The width here is 3150 millimeters. Press Escape twice to finish up. Go to the Properties sidebar and select the base level and the top level of the ramp. The base level is the level the ramp starts from and the top level is the level the ramp stops. In this case, the ramp is starting from the natural ground level and stops on the ground floor level. Go further down on the Properties bar, change the width to what was initially measured. Go back to the Draw tab on the top menu, select Run, and start drawing from where you want your ramp to begin. If what was drawn misses its target, just like in this case, select the whole drawing and move it to where you intend to create the ramp. Since Revit follows building codes that are accepted almost everywhere, your ramp will have an acceptable slope. However, if you need to make any modification, you can do that on the Properties sidebar by selecting Edit Type. Once you're done, click on the green finish mark to create your ramp. If your ramp slopes to the wrong side, simply click on the ramp and select the flip arrow to switch it. You can also select and delete the railings if you don't need them. Here, I will quickly create a floor to serve as the natural ground where our building sits on. Our next lesson on Revit is Windows. You need to load Windows into your project because windows that come preloaded in the project template are most likely not going to be enough. Windows are just as easy to attach as doors on Revit. If you remember correctly, when loading doors in Revit, all you have to do is locate the door you intend to use, open it, and load into your project. Loading windows works similarly. We will start by loading in the garage door to jog your memory. Locate the component you intend to load into Revit in your component folder, double-click on it, click on Upgrade the model if you are prompted to do so. Wait until the model is upgraded and open in Revit. On the top menu click Load into Project or Load into Project and close, select the project name and click OK. Once loaded, click on Edit Type on the Properties sidebar. Duplicate and rename. Change the width and height to the required dimensions, click on OK to finish up, and place the door or window where you intend it to be. Use the same method when loading windows into your project as I go over it again. Locate the component you intend to load into Revit in your component folder. Double-click on it, click on Upgrade the model if you are prompted to do so. Wait until the model is upgraded and open in Revit. On the top menu click Load into Project or Load into Project and close, select the project name and click OK. Once loaded, click on Edit Type on the Properties sidebar, duplicate and rename. Change the width and height to the required dimensions, click on OK to finish up, and place the door or window where you intend it to be. Duplicate and rename if you have other windows of different sizes. Once you're done placing your windows, ensure they have the same head height as the door or sill height where required. Select any window type and press SA. They will select all the windows of the same width. Go to the Properties sidebar, scroll down and change the head height to the height of your door. Repeat this step for other window types. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more educating contents. See you in the next one.